An astronaut is more than just a person who floats in space, they are explorers, scientists, and engineers all rolled into one. To become an astronaut, you typically need a strong educational background in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. Think advanced degrees and experience in fields like piloting or research. But it's not just about academics. Physical fitness is crucial. Astronauts undergo rigorous training to handle the challenges of microgravity and the harsh environment of space. You also need to master survival skills, teamwork, and problem-solving under pressure. The selection process is incredibly competitive, with thousands of applicants vying for just a handful of spots. Once selected, training involves simulations, spacewalk practice, and learning to operate spacecraft systems. Ultimately, being an astronaut is about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. It's a journey of dedication, resilience, and a passion for discovery. When we talk about going to space, the journey can vary significantly. For astronauts aboard a spacecraft like SpaceX's Crew Dragon, it typically takes about 24 hours to reach the International Space Station. That's right, just one day. However, if we're considering a trip to the moon, like the Apollo missions, it took about 3 days. But what about deeper space? A mission to Mars could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months, depending on the alignment of the planets. It's fascinating to think about how our technology has evolved. In the early days, the journey was longer and more complex. Now, with advancements in propulsion and spacecraft design, we're looking at even more ambitious missions. So, whether it's a quick jaunt to the ISS or a long trek to Mars, the time it takes to go to space is as varied as the destinations themselves. Each journey is a remarkable testament to human ingenuity and our quest to explore the cosmos.
Why do 90% of aspiring animators love space heroes? Because it's an out-of-this-world adventure. First, let's sketch our hero. Think capes, cool gadgets, and epic spacesuits. Add some funky hair or a helmet for extra flair. Next, storyboard your scenes. Imagine your hero zooming through galaxies, battling aliens, and saving the day. Now, it's time for some digital magic. Use animation software to bring your sketches to life. Move each part bit by bit, like a space dance. Add colors that pop. Think neon greens, electric blues, and cosmic purples. Don't forget the backgrounds, planets, stars, and swirling galaxies. Sound effects are next. Laser blasts, robot beeps, and whooshing rockets. Mix them in to make your cartoon extra dynamic. Finally, give your hero a voice. Record yourself or ask a friend. Have fun with it. And there you have it. Your very own space hero cartoon, ready to save the universe. Keep creating and may the stars be with you.
Istanbul, a city of dreams where East meets West, a place of vibrant energy and captivating beauty. Istanbul sits astride the Bosphorus Strait, a shimmering waterway separating Europe and Asia. This unique location has shaped its destiny, making it a cultural crossroads for millennia. From the moment you arrive, Istanbul envelops you in its warmth, its chaos, and its charm. This is a city that awakens the senses, with the scent of spices, the sounds of prayer calls, and the sight of stunning architecture. Whether you wander through ancient mosques or lose yourself in the Grand Bazaar, Istanbul promises an unforgettable journey. It's a place where history comes alive, and every corner holds a new surprise. Istanbul's history spans empires, each leaving its mark on the city's landscape. Ancient walls whisper tales of Roman emperors, while Byzantine mosaics shimmer with forgotten glories. The skyline is dominated by majestic domes, a testament to the Ottoman Empire. The Blue Mosque, with its cascading domes and 6 minarets, is an architectural masterpiece, its interior adorned with thousands of blue Iznik tiles. But Istanbul's architecture is not just grand mosques and palaces. Hidden courtyards reveal Ottoman-era houses with their wooden facades and colorful balconies. Churches stand as reminders of the city's diverse past, each with its own story to tell. Exploring these architectural treasures is like stepping back in time, each building a piece in the intricate mosaic that is Istanbul, a testament to the city's enduring legacy. Istanbul's true magic lies in its people, warm, welcoming, and full of life. They embody the city's vibrant spirit, From the tea vendors filling glasses with fragrant apple tea to the shopkeepers sharing stories over Turkish coffee. The streets are a symphony of sounds, the call to prayer echoing from minarets, the chatter of vendors in the bustling Grand Bazaar, the laughter of children playing in the park, all blending into a captivating melody. Istanbul's cultural scene is as diverse as its history. Traditional Turkish music fills tea gardens, while modern art galleries showcase the city's creative spirit. There's a rhythm to life here, a pulse that beats with energy and excitement. It's the people and their traditions that make Istanbul truly special, a place where ancient customs meet modern life, creating a unique and unforgettable cultural tapestry. No trip to Istanbul is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Turkish cuisine is a feast for the senses, a fusion of flavors influenced by centuries of history. Start your day with a traditional Turkish breakfast. Fresh bread, olives, cheeses and menemen, a delicious egg dish. For lunch, savor the taste of a freshly grilled doner kebab or indulge in a plate of pide, Turkish pizza. In the evening, lose yourself in the bustling atmosphere of a meyhane, a traditional Turkish tavern. Here you can sample a variety of mezes, small plates designed to be shared, all accompanied by live music and good conversation. From street food to fine dining, Istanbul offers a culinary adventure, a chance to tantalize your taste buds and experience the true flavors of Turkey. Buckle up, we're diving into the fascinating history of the first cars and their incredible journey. Imagine it's the late 1800s. Horse-drawn carriages ruled the streets. Then, in 1886, Carl Benz changed everything with his Benz patent motorwagen, the world's first automobile. This three-wheeled marvel had a whopping 0.75 horsepower engine. Not far behind, in 1893, Charles and Frank Duryea introduced the first gasoline-powered vehicle in the USA. Their invention sparked the American automotive industry. Meanwhile, over in France, the brilliant minds of Émile Levasseur and Armand Peugeot were paving the way for mass-produced cars. And who could forget Henry Ford? In 1908, he revolutionized the world with the Model T, making cars affordable for everyday people. From humble beginnings to the sleek machines we drive today, the journey of the automobile is nothing short of extraordinary. So next time you start your engine, remember you're part of a legacy over a century in the making. Drive on, car enthusiasts.
The Kardashev scale is a fascinating framework for measuring a civilization's technological advancement based on its energy consumption. It was proposed by the Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev in 1964. The scale has three primary types. Type 1 harnesses all the energy available on its home planet, like geothermal and solar. Type 2 captures the energy of its entire star, think Dyson spheres. And then there's Type 3, which utilizes energy on the scale of its entire galaxy. Imagine civilizations that can manipulate stars or travel between galaxies. As we explore the cosmos, the Kardashev scale not only helps us understand our place in the universe but also sparks our imagination about what the future might hold for humanity. Are we on the brink of becoming a Type 1 civilization? Only time will tell.